In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PowerPoint document to a Microsoft Word document. This is really handy if you want to turn your slides into handouts, notes, or a document you can easily print or share. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own computer. First, go ahead and open your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you've saved any recent changes so you don't lose your work. Once your presentation is open, look towards the upper left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you see options like New, Open, Save, and so on. On the left side of this screen, find and select the Export option. Export is what we use when we want to create a different type of file from our PowerPoint, instead of just saving the current one. After you click Export, you'll see several choices for how to export your presentation. From the list of options, look for the one that says Create Handouts. This is the feature that lets PowerPoint send your slides and notes into a Word document. Go ahead and click on Create Handouts. A button or prompt will appear, again saying Create Handouts, and when you select it, PowerPoint will open a new window. In this new window, you'll be asked how you want your slides to appear in Word. You'll see layout options like slides next to notes, slides below notes, or just slides. Choose the layout that best matches how you plan to use the Word document. For example, if you want space to add extra comments, choose a layout that includes lines beside or below the slides. Once you've selected your layout, confirm your choice. PowerPoint will then begin sending the content over to Word. This may take a few moments, especially if your presentation is large or contains a lot of images. After a short wait, Word will automatically open with a new document containing your slides arranged in the format you chose. At this point, make sure to save the Word document. Click on File, then Save As, choose a folder and a file name you'll remember, and save it. You now have a Microsoft Word version of your PowerPoint that you can edit, format further, print, or share just like any other Word document.